Have you ever dreamed of financial freedom? Of traveling the world, living life on your own terms? You see the flashy cars, the luxury homes, and you wonder, how did they do it? Well, I'm here to tell you a secret the millionaires in the Forex market don't want you to know. Now, before we dive in, let me be clear. Forex trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But the potential rewards? They're life-changing. And the secret isn't some magic formula. It's a combination of proven strategies, risk management, and a rock-solid mindset. The first part of the secret is understanding the market. Forget the hype, the gurus promising overnight riches. You need to learn the fundamentals. What drives currency prices, how to analyze charts, and how to identify profitable trading opportunities. This takes time and effort, but it's the foundation of success. We'll cover key concepts like support and resistance, trend lines, and indicators. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. The second, and arguably most important part of the secret, is risk management. Millionaires don't gamble, they calculate. They know how much they can afford to lose on any given trade, and they stick to their plan. This means using stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and never risking more than you can afford to lose. This is the part most beginners ignore, and it's why they fail. The final piece of the puzzle is mindset. Trading can be emotional. There will be wins and losses. You need to develop the discipline to stick to your plan, even when things get tough. This means controlling your emotions, avoiding impulsive decisions, and learning from your mistakes. This is where the real millionaires separate themselves from the rest. So there you have it. The secret millionaires don't want you to know. It's not about some magic formula. It's about hard work, smart strategies, and a disciplined mindset. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each of these areas, giving you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in the Forex market. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. And leave a comment below letting me know what you're most excited to learn about.